Beekeeping has been practiced for thousands of years, but even with all the advancements in science, many facts about bees were only recently uncovered. Imagine the surprise of a professional beekeeper when she discovered that the Quran, revealed over 1400 years ago, contained precise details about honeybees that align with modern entomology. Her name is McKay Orton, an experienced beekeeper with a background in entomology, currently pursuing her Master Beekeeper certification at Cornell University. She recently shared a video on Instagram where she held a translated copy of the Quran and read from Surah An-Nahl, meaning the bee.
I heard there was a chapter in the Quran about honeybees, so I had to check it out, and this is what I found. Chapter 16 is called The Bee.
As she explored further, she made some remarkable discoveries. First, she noticed that the verse discussing bees contains exactly 16 words and 16 different Arabic letters. Interestingly, female bees have 16 pairs of chromosomes, whilst male bees have only 16 chromosomes in total. Another discovery that amazed her was how highly Islam regards bees. In Islamic teachings, killing bees is forbidden, emphasizing the importance of preserving nature.
And Islam highly respects the bee to the point where it's a sin to kill one.
This aligns with the broader Islamic principle of maintaining ecological balance and taking care of the environment. Bees play a crucial role in pollination, and protecting them is essential for sustaining life on Earth. Three fascinating aspects that stunned her. McKay highlighted three main points that fascinated her about the Quran's discussion on bees. 1. The healing properties of honey. The Quran describes honey as a liquid of varying colors that contains healing properties. Scientists today confirm that honey has antibacterial, antifungal, and medicinal benefits. 2. The diligence of bees and their organized society. She admired how the Quran indirectly portrays bees as a model of hard work and dedication, where each member of the hive has a role to fulfill. This serves as a powerful analogy for human life. The Quran's use of female verbs for bees. Arabic grammar differentiates between male and female verbs. When describing bees in the Quran, all the verbs, such as building, foraging, and producing honey, are in the form.
And then number 3, the last thing I thought was really cool is that the Quran was originally written in Arabic, and the Arabic has female, male verbs. And the verbs they use to describe the honeybee, building, eating, foraging, working, were all female verbs.
For centuries, people believed that all bees contributed to honey production. However, modern science has confirmed that only female worker bees are responsible for collecting nectar and producing honey. This was only discovered in the 19th century through scientific research, yet the Quran had already indicated it over 1,400 years ago. The Quran's scientific precision. The Quran states, وَأَوْحَى رَبُّكَ إِلَى النَّحْلِ أَنِ اتَّخِذِي مِنَ الْجِبَالِ بُيُوتًا وَمِنَ الشَّجَرِ وَمِمَّا يَعْرِشُونَ. And your Lord inspired the bees, make your homes in the mountains, the trees, and in what people construct. ثُمَّ كُلِّي مِنْ كُلِّ الثَّمَرَاتِ فَاسْلُكِي سُبُلَ رَبِّكِ ذُلُلًا يَخْرُجُ مِنْ بُطُونِهَا شَرَابٌ مُخْتَلِفٌ أَلْوَانُهُ فِيهِ شِفَاءٌ لِلنَّاسِ إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ لَآيَةً لِقَوْمٍ يَتَفَكَّرُونَ. And feed from the flower of any fruit you please, and follow the ways your Lord has made easy for you. From their bellies comes forth liquid of varying colors, in which there is healing for people. Surely, in this is a sign for those who reflect. This verse contains linguistic precision that aligns with modern scientific discoveries. The word eat, kuli, is in the feminine form. If referring to a male bee, the word would have been kul. The word follow, isluki, is also feminine. If addressing a male, it would have been usluk. These linguistic choices indicate that the honey-producing bees are female, a fact unknown to the world at the time. Even more astonishingly, the Quran describes the honeybee as having multiple stomachs. The word used is butuniha, where butun is the plural form of stomach, and the pronoun ha is feminine. Modern science has confirmed that honeybees have two stomachs, one for digestion and another specifically for storing nectar before it turns into honey. This scientific fact was only discovered a few centuries ago, yet The Quran had already stated it. The Quran and the discovery of rock bees. It is commonly believed that bees build their hives using wax. However, scientists have recently identified species that create hives in wood and even within rocks. The Quran had already mentioned this possibility. Make your homes in the mountains, the trees, and in what people construct. This knowledge was far beyond human understanding in the 7th century, yet the Quran revealed it long before scientists made these discoveries. A final reflection. McKay Orton was deeply moved by the scientific accuracy of the Quran's verses. For her, these revelations are a testament to the Quran's wisdom and divine origin. Allah says in the Quran, سنريهم آياتنا في الآفاق وفي أنفسهم حتى يتبين لهم أنه الحق أولم يكف بربك أنه على كل شيء شهيد. We will show them our signs in the universe and within themselves until it becomes clear to them that this Quran is the truth. May Allah open more hearts and minds to reflect upon these signs and recognize the truth of Islam.